So here is the weather station. I've already started it up and had it running a little bit and cleared this channel here, but I have it currently set to every minute, about 5 seconds before the minute. It will take a reading and delay for the temperature and humidity sensor here, and then submit that to the ThingSpeak API. And yeah, you can see it doing that now. And then if I reload here, um, I was holding on to it a little beforehand, so you can see that's where the temperature is starting to go down a bit. And then you can see the weather is pulling from the open weather from my latitude and longitude over here. Now, if I scroll up anymore, um, you'll see the API keys. So instead of showing that, I'll continue down. Um, what we have going on is all the initialization and the setup for the OLED display, followed by initializing some of the settings for the really what's kind of a round robin with interrupts kind of approach. And so if I open this up, we have in the loop 5 seconds before the minute, we will send the DHT sensor readings, and we do some configuring of the display, which sets the progress bar of how we're doing. After wrestling with the sensor a bit, it turns out that you need to set a little bit of a delay after it gets the reading. Otherwise, the readings, it takes time to get the sensor readings. So, and then we filter out bad readings just in case. And I am able to check this serial display and show that there's temp and humidity, like that it's reading correctly, but my API key is in those, it's in that reading here. And that happens because in order to send the URL, we have to pass that API key into the URI. So I won't show that here. The rest of this is supplied from the material on the ESP8266 WeatherStation. So this was all given to us. And then I modified the ThingSpeak request code. A lot of this looks the same, but I removed some things for brevity and have separate temperature reading functions. And that's just called after we have read our temperature readings. I possibly could have had a task set up running on the RTOS of the ESP8266. However, the given design constraints didn't necessitate that we had to use the RTOS. So this approach seemed to be the most straightforward. So as I've been talking here, you can see the charts have leveled out as I've kind of left it alone. As always, I will have links to the resources that I used in this project in the description.